To make a single transaction private on Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the payment screen where you can initiate a new transaction. When you are ready to make a payment, enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address, and the payment amount. Before you confirm the transaction, look for the privacy settings option, usually indicated by a small icon. Click on this icon to adjust the privacy settings for the transaction. You will see three options: public, friends, and private. Select private to ensure the transaction is only visible to you and the recipient. By choosing the private option, you are ensuring that the transaction details, including the amount and any notes, will not be shared publicly or with your friends on Venmo. After selecting the private option, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the payment amount, and the privacy setting. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction to complete the payment. It is essential to note that while making a single transaction private on Venmo helps keep the details of that specific payment confidential, it does not affect the overall privacy settings of your Venmo account. To maintain the privacy of your transactions, consider adjusting your default privacy settings to private for all future transactions. By following these steps, you can easily make a single transaction private on Venmo, giving you more control over your financial transactions and maintaining your privacy on the platform.